Anak Kurosh, Shar Kishati, Sharu Rabu, Sharu Danu, Shar Babilim, Shar Mat Shumeri Akkadi, Shar Kibrati Erbetti. So those are the words of Cyrus the Great, king of Babylon, written in 539 BC when he was explaining to the Babylonians who he was and what he was doing. And this is what he said. I am Cyrus, king of the universe, the great king, the powerful king, king of Babylon, king of Sumer and Akkad, king of the 4 quarters of the world. Now I'm going to read something completely different. This is a piece of poetry, and in fact it's the story of the flood in its Babylonian version, which of course everybody knows from the book of Genesis in the Bible. It's a very similar narrative. Ma shumma lushtei takabbi, shipra sha'akabuku shutzir atta, igaru shitammi anni, kikishu shutziri kala sikriya, ubut bita, bini eleppa, makura zerma napishta bulit. And this speech in English comes out like this. You say, what am I to seek? Observe the message that I will speak to you. Wall, listen to me. Read wall, observe all my words. Destroy your house. Build a boat, spurn property, and save life.